All right. So take note of that. When you are a baby in the business, you are doing come and see. You are not healing the sick yet. You are not healing the sick yet. You are not preaching the gospel yet. This time is come and see. My pastor, there are some people, they don't think they know how to do. My pastor is powerful. My pastor is, they don't know that they are also powerful because they are still babies. My pastor, when he prays for you, you get healed. Just come to my church. And when people come to church, what happens? They receive their miracle. That is come and see kind of evangelism. But by the time you mature and you grow, what happens? Then you start being taught. You now know that you can also heal the sick like your pastor. You also know that your pastor does not have any special power that you don't have. You also have the same power, but you now learn how to use it. Okay? Now, these are the trainings that you have to undergo, and then you mature. You become a matured network marketer. Same way you mature being a Christian. That's why we have all those Bible studies. All those things are meant to teach you. So our own Bible study, the cell meeting you have in church is Millionaire School here. All right? So if you want to succeed in this business, you must learn to do come and see. You must be skillful with it. You must master the act of come and see this business. Come and see this opportunity. Come and see this NGO. Come and see this platform. It is something you've never seen before. It is come and see level of evangelism. That's where most of you are right now. And it's very important you understand that. Don't be tempted to start telling people one on the left and one on the right. Don't try it. Do not try it at all. Hey, don't try it at all. No. By the time I get there, and when I teach you what I normally do there on that one on the left, one on the right, you will be like, Jesus. I'm telling you, don't try it. The only thing you are doing right now is this. Use that script. So what's the sample of the script I sent us yesterday? For those of you that got the message, everybody here should have received the message, but the people that joined the Millionaire School yesterday, I sent them the script privately, okay, because they need to understand the stage where they are. They need to start making their invitations immediately, okay? So let me open up the scripts that I sent to them. So just to recite it quickly before we get into sharing the business. All right, where is where is Chimezia? Where is Chimezia? Okay, all right. So the script says everyone here should have it. That's what I did yesterday. I sent us a video of our prospecting system. Okay, so make sure you watch it, Mr. Ejim Chiemezie, Mr. James Lawrence, Mr. Dennis, and Mr. Eric. Make sure you watch that RDI prospecting system. And I gave us a sample script. You can see it there. Hello, Mr. Emmanuel. It's I, Madam Agnes. Have you heard of RDI NGO, the business support project called the Share Social Economic Business Project? It's a project where they select 2,000 persons in Lagos. Call your location, okay? And then you are to tell them you can either attend a live meeting on Zoom or you watch the recorded video. Which one do you wish to have? Once you receive an answer, what's the next? Some people will tell you, I want to attend a live Zoom meeting. Among 4 of you, how many of you here, this script was used on you and you're connected to the meeting? Let me see you raise your hand. If you got this script, I can see James Lawrence raising his hand. So you can see the script that brought you. Let me unmute James Lawrence. Let me unmute James Lawrence. You are saying something.
Yes, I said you were asking me a question initially, but I have to run to the toilet because I was having running stomach.
Oh yeah, so sorry.
Sorry for not answering that question. So I'm
all right.
Back now.
All right. So I wanted to ask you, this script I read now, did Chiamaka Aloke use it on you?
Yes, that's what she used on me.
I'm always enjoying this when I see it work on people. All right, thank you so much for being honest. Mr. Eric, can you unmute yourself and share with me? Was the script also used on you? Mr. Eric, can you unmute yourself? Go ahead and unmute yourself, Mr. Eric, please. You will see the prompt. Just unmute yourself now. Okay.
Okay.
Was the script used on you?
Yes. Yes, it was.
Please let me laugh together with you. Oh my God. Oh my God. That shows you our system is working. If you know that our system is working, please type for me on the chat and say our system is working. For you to be here today is a proof that our system is working. In fact, Madam Chiamaka Aloke, Mr. James, you will see plenty people. If you see plenty people that have already started paying through the same script, through Madam Chiamaka Aloke, you'll be shocked. Our system is working. Our system is really working. Just use the system, consistently use it, you will see it will work for you. All right. Also, now means that if you are a product of the system, it means that the system works. So just trust the system. So once somebody requests to attend the live Zoom meeting, what's the next thing? You send the person our vision and then the Zoom link. Okay. And then if the person says, I want to watch the recorded video. Now we have two versions of the recorded video that I sent to us. I sent us the mobile version. Share it, get paid mobile video. So that mobile video is the one people can download on their phone and watch at any time. I always love it. And then we have the YouTube version that they can watch. And then after that, I gave us the summary. At this point in time where you are, all of you here, sorry, 4 of you that are new here, once somebody attends the live Zoom meeting or watches the recorded video and gets back to you, direct them back to Engineer also. Direct them back to me, because there is something I have not taught you yet. Is one of our powerful systems. I will show you what that is. That is called closing down and handling of rejections and question scale. Closing down scales, then handling of rejection and questions. It is a skill to learn to handle questions and objections. So this is not rejection, it's called objections. But sorry, it's not rejection, it's objections. You don't handle the rejection, it's objections. People don't reject you, okay? People only ask you questions to get more information. So it's a skill. I need to teach you. We have a manual, 10 different questions. Even when people tell you, I don't have money, I don't think I can do this, I can't sell, I can't do this, I can't do that. They are all different questions and there are different answers you can give to take care of them. We have a manual on it. On its own, we have a well-detailed manual. When I mean well-detailed manual, a well-detailed manual that will teach you on how to handle rejections and objections and questions. Okay, so these are the things that we're going to be training you on. Okay, I have a manual on it. I've done quite a lot of work. When I mean a lot of work in producing our powerful RDI material. What you guys don't know is one of the things that make our team so unique is the fact that anyone that wants to succeed, that wishes to succeed in this business, we have the material you can follow step by step. As a matter of fact, let me share with us an experience. I've had someone that joined our team just for the sole reason of tapping into our manuals. I didn't know. The person just hijacked all our materials. I know some of the ones he can hijack. I'm telling you, I never knew. This is the manual for it. I'm doing this so that you can actually trust the system more. We have a very powerful, one of the best training systems. You can see these are the questions people can ask you. These are the questions people can ask you. We have all of them taken care of. All of them. I don't have money. I don't think this is for me. I want to think about it. I'm telling you, these are questions. Let me see how you do first. Let me see how you succeed first. I want to talk to my spouse first. I want to talk to my wife, my husband, my father, my mother, my Amadio, my God. All of them are forms of objections, sorry. Okay, they are forms of what? Objections. They are not rejection, please. They are forms of objections. I don't have the time. I don't have the time at all. No, I don't have time. Is this not a pyramid scheme? I don't like to sell. All these things, people are not rejecting you. They are only giving you a signal that they need more information to make their decision. Guess what? All these things have been handled. So if you have not been taught on how to handle objections and questions, you don't handle it. What do? Get them back to me. Tell them, connect back to our director. There is something he has for you. Connect back to him. Okay? By God's special grace, we are handling it this particular week. All right. So that being said, how many of you that were admitted yesterday in a millionaire school, how many of you now have your millionaire school book? Let me see you. Your millionaire school book. Let me see your millionaire school book. Mr. Eric, let me see yours. Mr. Chiemezie, let me see yours. Your thick cover note. Ah, Chiemezie, that is not allowed. Chiemezie, that is not allowed. That is not allowed. Can you raise it up, Chiemezie? Can you raise it up? Madam Confidence, look at Chiemezie. Is that thing allowed? Is that allowed?
I can't see him. Oh, I can't see him.
Chiemezie, raise your book. Raise your own. Let us see. Raise it up. Let us see. Chiemezie. Chiemezie is on video. Raise it now. Chiemezie. Why? Is it this thing? Is it allowed?
No.
It's not allowed. We need a thick cover. Thick cover or a big diary. Okay, Mr. Eric, can we see yours? This one is allowed. Mr. Eric has passed. Yes. Mr. James, where is your own notebook, sir? Okay. Is that it? Okay, is that a thick cover? Okay, that's a thick cover. Where is Sadi? Sadi, I beg you, mute yourself. This one you've been hiding yourself behind the camera. Sadi, Sadenis, have you purchased your own millionaire school booklet? Make sure you get it, sir. All right, it's very, very important. Okay, now, remember, just summary, before we get into presentation, summary. If you've gotten your millionaire school booklet, remember you have to write your 300 contacts. Someone asked me and said, must it be people that knows me? No, they must not know you. They must not know you. Yes, write down 300 contacts, 300 contacts there. And every day you are to pick your top 20, your topmost 20. Pick it, and then you are to use that script I gave you to make a phone call. Make a phone call, or you can send them a text message. Send them a text message, and they will respond to you. Text or WhatsApp, anyone, any response they give to you. If they tell you we want to attend a live Zoom meeting, give them the response I gave you, the Zoom link. If they tell you they want to watch the recorded video, send them the two formats of the video, namely the mobile video and the YouTube version of the video. I want you to trust the system. Keep doing this as I take you through the different stages of the 7 core disciplines. Trust me, you will start earning soon. I know people like Mr. Edward now, Mr. Chiamaka Aloke, and then the rest of most of us here, we are really, really, really growing so big in the business. And I really thank God for you. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Now, the last advice I'm going to give you before I get into presentation scale is this. You must understand that prospecting and inviting is a number game. Is a number game. There is what we call the law of compressed activity. It is better to invite 100 persons in 2 days than to invite 100 persons in 5 days, 20 per day. Trust me. We call it the law of compressed activity. One of the reasons why I am so successful is not because I'm skillful, but it's because I have learned to use what I call the principle of massive action. What's the principle of massive action? Being unreasonable in my actions. I take unreasonable steps. And that's the reason why I have a reasonable result. My result is unreasonable, is mind-blowing. Why? Because I keep taking mind-blowing steps. Prospecting and inviting is a number game. In anything you are doing as regards to this business, if you can keep taking massive action, if you can take massive action for 6 months, you can shorten the time of your massive success. So just learn that. Don't be a tortoise in this business, but have the tortoise kind of spirit, because tortoise, they are patient. Okay? They are patient, but I want you to have combined the spirit of a what do you call it again? What the name of this line? What the name of this animal that can run? Okay. What's the name of this animal that can run so well? Can someone remind me? He's in the cat family. He can run so well. Okay, can you unmute yourself, Mr. Eric, and remind me?
Squirrel.
Okay, squirrel can run.
Squirrel.
Squirrel, is that the fastest?
Yeah.
Squirrel is not the fastest, I'm sure. Squirrel is not the fastest. Mr. Edward, do you know is a cat family?
Is the name Cheetah? Cheetah.
It's Cheetah, exactly. Cheetah.
Yeah.
I want you to have a combination of the spirit of a cheetah and at the same time, a combination of the spirit of a tortoise. Now, I know there are two opposites. Cheetahs, they are not that very patient, but tortoise, they are very, very patient. Okay? Tortoise teaches us consistency. Why cheetah teaches us the law of massive action. Taking massive action. Be swift. Take action. Many of you must have heard the story of Eminette Augustine, but there is something you people don't know about her. I want to teach you guys. She's not here. So let me teach you guys something that people don't know. She's not that very intelligent per se those days. But she heard me talk about I growing up and not being super smart. People think that I'm super smart. I'm not super smart. Yes. Why? Because I recognize the fact that I have to read 5 times for me to pass an exam. So you know what I start doing? I start reading early and I start reading massively. Now, what she did, she heard me talk about it takes imitation to gain mastery. She called on me and said, do you mean that if I can imitate you very, very well, fast, I will get even better results than you do? I said, yes. So do you know what she started doing? Do you know that all my Zoom meetings, as I'm talking to you, my laptop is filled up now. She will, once I get back to Jos Plateau State, she will send her brother that is in Jos to use the flash drive and come and copy all my videos. She's not here. She's having her own millionaire school. Her millionaire school is even bigger than the one I'm running here. I'm telling you, sometimes they are 35, 40 in their millionaire school. She will gather all my materials and be studying them. You can't call her. In a day, she must listen to about 3 to 4 of my personal videos. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. I bet a team with her. We are about 4 people. I bet a team in Gombe State. Yes. Sometimes we come into her room for us to have a meeting, and like just from the door, you'll be hearing her playing my video. And my colleagues will be like, what kind of person is this? And that's the reason why she achieved massive success. If I say a thing, before I am done saying it, she's already acting on it. If you can have that kind of mentality, taking immediate and massive action with what I am teaching you, trust me, you will have better results than I'm having. Because she's having better results than me now. Take massive action. And at the same time, be patient. Let it work for you. Let me give you another story about her. You are hearing she made 20 million naira. Do you know that her 2017 and 2018, 2 years doing the business, she did not make up to 3 million naira? Many of you will not understand. Her earning was not to 3 million. Yes. It was in 2019 that she exploded. You guys must understand how this thing works. 2019, she made more than 7 million. In 2020, I saw her record. 2020 alone, she made about 8.9 million. 2020 alone. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? Within 2 years, 2019 and 2020, she made almost 16 million naira. Yes, almost 16 million. But her 2017 and 2018 was a learning and growing stage. I want you to keep taking massive action. Keep taking massive. Even the Bible made it very clear. When the clouds are full, you can't hold the clouds. You can't hold it again. It must surely rain. It must surely rain. I want you guys to stop all this. See, when I'm telling you to invite 20, I'm just giving you a framework to work with. That is the basic. If you want extraordinary result, then you have to do more than the ordinary. The ordinary is 20 invitations in a day. That's ordinary. That's ordinary. All right. So now that being said, let's go to business presentation. Yesterday, we saw the concept. We are able to see the concept of sharing our business. We saw the concept. Now, I want to bring up my slide, and I want to take my slide step by step. And I want to tell you what I normally say and why I say what I say on my slide, step by step. I may not finish it today, okay? I may not, but surely by tomorrow it would have been done so that we can now start handling rejections and objections and questions. All right, so now let me open my slide so that as my presentation slide, so that I can teach you what I normally do there. Can someone give me the different stages of the presentation as I outlined yesterday? Yesterday, I gave us the 4 different stages, 5 different stages of presentation. Let me know whether we are good students. Can someone outline for me? Can someone raise his hand and call out for me? Mr. James Lawrence is raising his hand. Are you raising your hand? Are you raising your hand? I don't think you are raising your hand. Okay. I need someone that will, okay, Mama Agnes is raising her hand. Okay, she's going to read out for us the 5 different stages of business presentation. You can go ahead, Ma.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Mama.
The first stage is excitement stage.
Okay.
We should arouse the interest of the people. Then creating a need.
Mm-hmm.
Creating a need. That is, you bring out some things that you feel each individual may need and that this business can supply.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have the business introduction stage. That is where you now bring in the RUGI, the EMPC and some products. Then how to end, the stage of how to end, then the closing stage.
Exactly. Exactly. All right, Mama, I want you to type it for us in the chat box so that others can see. Type it for us on the chat box. Okay?
All right. All right.
Yeah, type it on the chat box. Okay. Someone saying, our system is really working. I met them in shop and I get rich. I was thinking it's you who came to me the other way. All right, so now let's get into the excitement stage. That's the first stage of the business presentation. You must understand that the excitement stage is the most important stage. Many of you will notice that is what I usually do. Now, once you introduce, always remember to introduce the Realistic Dreams Initiative. I'm trying to teach us how to use the slide. That's what I'm doing now. I'm trying to teach us how to use the slide. Okay? Now, this is the first page of the slide I'm using. That is what introduces people. Let people know that the business is not about you. What you are bringing to them, listen to me. What you are selling to the people is not to connect, just to connect them to a business. Remember that. People are tired of starting businesses and failing. What you are selling is not economy driver plan. You are not trying just to connect people there. The whole package is a support system. What you are selling is the RDI support system. People are tired of starting businesses and not getting results. People want something that is working. So what is working is not another business. That's the reason why many of you will hear me say something like, see, there are no better professions in life, rather, there are better professionals. How many of you have heard me say something like this? I'm an engineer, and there are successful engineers, and there are struggling engineers. How many of you have heard me say that before? Let me see with your hand. Let me see with your hand. And I will tell you that there are some people in the Share It Get Paid projects that are not successful. Come on. Why is it that after people are done hearing things like that, they still join in the business? Even when they hear me say, it's not everybody in the business that is successful. Jesus. It's because people are already tired of starting businesses and they are not getting results. People want results and they are tired of being on their own. So they need someone to be by their side. We are all emotional beings. You must have it at the back of your mind. Whatever you are saying in your presentation, the real business, the real package is about the RDI support system. Never you forget that. So don't be telling people, if you join our business, you will succeed. No. Rather say this, if you allow Realistic Dreams Initiative to mentor you and help you, using the Share It Get Paid project, my dear, you will be successful. That is the right words to use. Not if you start this thing, you will become successful. No, it's about the support system of the Realistic Dreams Initiative. That's the reason why you will hear me say things like, the Realistic Dreams Initiative is running a global project. And our project is to create 10,000 self-made millionaires between now and 2025. That's why you always hear me say that. So I want you to arm yourself with those words. Now, you then introduce yourself. I know many of you, when it comes to introducing yourself, you don't know it's part of the excitement stage. You have to understand that the introduction of yourself is what establishes trust, the basic trust. And what is it? You don't need to become a multi-millionaire for people to trust you, to become trustworthy. Yes. You don't need to earn 1 million in the business. Some people will tell you, the reason why I've not been able to, to recruit and have people connecting with me is because I've not seen money in my account. Let me tell you the truth. It's only those that are lying to themselves and those that don't want to follow our system that use such words, because our system doesn't do that. We don't encourage that. I want to teach you something that makes people to trust you. I gave you 9 steps yesterday, but one of them is to be authentic, be open, be open, be open. People want to trust you when they know you. People can only trust and do business with who they know and trust. People do business with who they know and trust. How will people know you and trust you? When you share a story. When you share a story about yourself. What story are you sharing? So one of the things you must understand about the excitement stage is this. Don't just tell people who you are. Share a story of who you are. Share some of your experiences. Some of you are civil servants. Share a story of how you've seen clearly that there is no way someone can actually become a civil servant and be able to have every of their dreams become a reality. That you've checked this, that you've noticed clearly that a lot of people make that mistake. But you've come to your senses and you ask yourself, I'm giving you the skills now, but you've come to your senses and you've asked yourself, if I keep doing this thing I'm doing right now, will I get to my destination? I want to build a house. And when I look at it, the house I want to build, it will cost about 15 to 20 million. I want to buy a car. Does it mean as a civil servant, I can't even afford a car of 5 million naira for myself? I've looked at it. People that have gone ahead of me, they can't even afford a nice house. So it was just very obvious to me that I need a plan B. I really need to do something else. Because in life, I have learned from Realistic Dreams Initiative that if you keep doing what you've been doing, you will keep getting what you've been getting. And the truth is, I want to give my family the best that life can offer. That's the reason why I'm still with my job, but I've decided to build a part-time business, a business that can allow me to wake up in the morning and then know that I can earn much more than I'm earning in my salary. Yes, I know it will require some energy. I know it will require some time. I know it will require some form of commitment, but I'm ready to pay the price today because I've learned from Realistic Dreams Initiative that it's either you pay the price today and have the price of a good life tomorrow, or you play today and then you pay tomorrow. And I've decided to pay my price today. Yes, I am a very proud civil servant, earning salary less than 150,000 naira, but I'm on my way to financial freedom through building a business, with the support of the Realistic Dreams Initiative. That's who I am. That's a wonderful story. That's a wonderful story. You can go further and share people. Explain to people how things are. Explain to people, are there things, many of you here, you are married and you have children. Are there things you want to get for your children? You can't get them because you don't. Yeah, are there people here that have things they want to provide their family with, but they don't have the money to do that? Let me see, wave your hand. Let me see, wave your hand. You want to do it, but you don't have the money. Share those experiences. Share those experiences. My dad and my mom and my dad retired. If you look at the kind of cars they don't have a good life. And I told myself, and I asked myself, if I keep going the same direction they went, will I get to different result, destination? No. And I decided to build a business because I want to give my parents the best that life can offer. I want to put my children in good schools. Yes, I want my son, by the time he's done with high school, he want to get to college. He wants to go to college in UK. I want to send him to UK, a good school in UK. My son says he want to be a businessman. I want to pay 10 million naira per semester in Lagos Business School. Yes, I can send him to School of Business in the University of Liverpool. I want to have the money. The other day I was inquiring on the tuition fee for college in UK, and someone was telling me 15 million naira per term. Yeah, per year. 15 million naira. Because I needed to know. Because my son very soon will enter college. In the next 7 years, that young man will be in college. Yes. And if I don't start right now to prepare ahead of time, it will take me unawares. He's 8 years of age. In 2 years' time, he will be in high school. You'll be in secondary school. 5 years, so call it 7 years from now, he will be in college. And I want him to do college in UK. And do you know what? College in UK is not child's play. It's not beans, because he's not going there to be, no. He's going to go and hustle. Yes, of course, he will hustle. But I want to put him in the best of the schools. And to do that requires serious. The basic is 15 million naira. That's the basic, 15 million per year. You want to give him, you want everything to be okay, 22 to 25 million naira per year. So I need to budget for 3 years, approximately like 80 million naira for it. That money, something need to source that money. I want to give my family the best can offer. Share your story. Now, what are the main elements of your story? What are the primary ingredients that your story must carry? Number one, your story must carry about where you are before you met Realistic Dreams Initiative. What is it that you saw in the way you are? You know, I met someone that told me, sir, the reason why I joined this business is because of the fact that it's a transitional wealth. I want to die and leave something for my family. Actually, that's one of the major reasons why I'm doing the business. I want to leave something for my family. The Bible says that a good man leaves an inheritance for his children. I want to leave an inheritance for my children. Today, if I'm dead, personally, if I'm dead, my family will be earning millions of naira from the business. My wife and my kids, all of them, they'll be earning my money. They will inherit it. Because that's what the company said. It can be handed over to your next of kin. So it doesn't just die with you. I've seen someone that told me that. Ask yourself, what is my current state? And when you're sharing your story, don't just say something like, things are rough for me, things became bad for me. So that's why you notice me, when I'm talking about Cisco, I share about how I lost so much money in Cisco. Okay, and you will hear me say things like, I lost money because I didn't know how to write the types of the economy. Always take responsibility. Don't shy away from it. Take responsibility of the life you have right now. You must know that you are the one that created the life you have right now. You may not believe it, but that is true. What you have now is a product of your past decisions and then your actions. Take responsibility of that. So you will hear me say that I didn't know how to write the tides of the economy. That's why things became rough for me. That's why I lost my money. So don't just say that things were rough for me. How were things rough for you? You can say something like, someone like me, do you know at the time, I had to bring my children from going for a very wonderful school and bring down their standard of education because I didn't have enough money to pay for their tuition fees. I didn't have enough money again to pay for their school fees. I had to go back and live in Face Me and Face You kind of apartment. Did you see that? Let people know how things are. It may be you're a civil servant, share about how retirees, end, and you don't want to end by loads of retirees. When you are done sharing that, what's the next thing there? Connect it to the Realistic Dreams Initiative. And then one day, a friend of mine called upon me and then sent me a video, sent me a message about the Realistic Dreams Initiative Business Support Project. At the point of excitement stage, do not mention Economy Driver 2.0. Do not mention anything like registration. Do not mention anything money. The only thing you have to mention is Realistic Dreams Initiative Business Support Program. Their Share It Get Paid project. And don't even explain it. Don't even explain Share It Get Paid project at that time. Just say, and what at the point, a friend of mine sent me a link. I saw something online, a link online talking about the Realistic Dreams Initiative Business Support Project. Remember, what you are sharing is the project, business support. And the business support project was talking about, in that project, they were talking about how they're going to be helping me and supporting me in building a business with the Share It Get Paid system. I didn't understand. You must be open enough to say, I didn't understand what they were talking about, but I decided to attend their presentation. I decided to watch a recorded video sent to me. And while I was done watching the video, I was so shocked that hundreds of thousands of Nigerians are benefiting from this. And this has been on for the past 9 years. I was so shocked. And I thank God that since I started this journey, I've not just been in a place where my future, I have a brighter future now. I'm not just there, but I'm now quite much more enlightened. Now I know what it takes to become very successful. And now I'm on the right track to becoming financially free. There's nothing as good as having an open, as good as being open-minded to business opportunities. Having a closed-mindedness is very, very dangerous. So I want to encourage you today, don't be closed-minded. I want you to be open-minded so you can have your life changed the same way I have mine changed. Many of you will be telling me, Mr. Alonso, but I've not started seeing money in my account. Let me teach you something you don't know. Many of you, you listen to it in your foundation class. You have to become a millionaire first in your mind before you can earn millions. The greatest transformation a human can ever have is the reconstruction and the transformation of the mind. That's why the Holy Book said, do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. I love the way Miles Moron puts it. Miles Moron said that the greatest task, the greatest work on earth, the most difficult work on earth is the reconstruction of the human mind. Yes. Do you know what happened to you before you were able to make that decision? For you to make the decision to be part of the project, just something happened to your mind. Something changed in your mind. Yes. A life of possibility got ignited in your mind. That is the greatest miracle. That is the greatest gain. To know within yourself you can achieve more than what you're achieving right now. That is the greatest miracle. Yes. So you must be very, very proud to it. You must be very, very proud to say it. Say it right now. Thank God I'm on the right track to being financially free. And thank God I have the best organization right behind me, mentoring, coaching, and supporting me to become super, super, super successful. And guess what? There is an opportunity today for you to have that. They gave me an opportunity to have people admitted. Our top mentors, our masterminds, they have created an openness, they've created an opening to admit more people into the Millionaire School where they're going to mentor you directly. That's why I'm sharing this with you guys, my friends. Because obviously you may be sharing this with 2 or 3 people. I'm not expecting you to start organizing seminars. You may be sharing it with 2 or 3 people. That's the reason why I'm bringing this to you, because there's an opening now where the masterminds, the people, my mentors, they are ready to mentor you. They are ready to admit you. They are ready to help you the same way they are helping me. All right. That is the excitement stage where you are sharing your story. Now, part of the excitement stage also is sharing some of your accomplishments if you have that. If there are stories of successful people, share the stories of successful people. So you hear me talk about my cars, talk about my kids making over 2.4 million naira, talking about my house, talking about traveling. And guess what? What are you going to do here? What you're going to do here is this. Now, to all of you, maybe you don't have a car yet, a nice car yet, or maybe you don't have a nice house yet. There is special support projects we have. You can display this. The reason why I also love this project, you can see this. I will give us this in this. Many of you you have not seen this before. Do you know that even while they are supporting you, they will help you to travel around the world, all expense paid trip. They also have a car support program. They also have a real estate program. And that's the reason why I'm connected here. Some of these things have not been launched. Okay, we'll be launching them. I'm just showing us the pictures. The plans on ground to launch them massively. All right. So you can actually bring them up and then share it with your audience. All right. Talk about traveling. This business will also give you the privilege to travel around the world. That's my mentor here. When you show this, we say, that's my mentor here. That's my mentor here. And that's the wife of my mentor here. And some of our colleagues outside the country. Yes, you can say here, that's my mentor here. Okay. Always share my story. And you can now say here, these are people in RDI. This is our last trip. Say this is our last trip. Because once you are in RDI, you can now claim our stories. You can say this is our last trip. Yes, many of you have not noticed. I am not here personally, but some of my people are here. Because at that time, I was engaged. I didn't want to go. There was something else I was doing. I'm not here, but you see me use this slide and tell you this was our last trip to Dubai. It's ours. Claim it for yourself. It's our trip. Nobody will sit down there and be checking picture there. Are you inside the picture? Are you inside the camera? Are you inside there? If I say they don't catch you, nobody's doing that. How many of you, since I've been showing this picture before, how many of you just hearing that I'm not inside the picture? How many of you just hearing that? Let me see where behind. If you're just hearing that, let me see where behind. I don't have to be inside the picture. That was our last trip to Dubai. I didn't want to go because we just came back. Actually, that was early last year. We just came back from Christmas, and my dear, I need to get some things settled. And then the team again, we are talking about traveling again. I said, anybody who wants to make a travel? Me, I don't want to travel, so I didn't want to travel. Even my wife, we like traveling too. She didn't want to travel. All right. So share the stories of the team. It is your stories. It's your own story. Say this is our last trip to Dubai. And for those of you that love traveling, you can join us and travel when next we are going. Can you imagine having a life of adventure? Have all these pictures should be in your story. It should be in your slides. Yes. Talk about this, our national secretary. These are people that have actually benefited quite a lot. Now, the second stage, creating a need. Creating a need. Now, I want you to, before we get into creating a need, let's understand it. The essence of excitement stage is to whet people's appetite. Now, when you whet their appetite, you need to bring them into the picture. How do you bring people into the picture? The best way I've seen and I've learned to bring people into the picture is to ask them, what do you want out of life? What are your financial goals? Everybody has a goal. Everybody wants to achieve something great with their lives. Ask them the question, what do you want out of life? What do you want out of life? To give your kids the best of the education, to get a house, to make more money, have your favorite car, financial freedom? Is it to have a healthy and a happy family? Create a need. Then ask them the question. When you look at the quality of life, what you are doing right now, if you keep doing what you are doing right now for the next 12 months, will it give you the privilege to enjoy this? If the answer is no, then you must understand that if you keep doing what you've been doing, you keep getting what you've been getting. Did you see that? What you are doing there is to create they need to see the need for the support program of RDI. They need to see the need. When people don't feel that they need the product or what you are trying to offer them, they won't buy. People need to buy. People buy because they feel they need the product. They need the service. In this case, our product is what? Business support. Remember that. You are not selling share, it get paid. You are not selling economy driver plan. What you are selling is RDI Business Support Program. RDI Business Support Program. That is what you are selling. Keep mentioning that support until it enter their head. Because you know why? It will answer another question. Remember those 5 things you are dealing with. It will answer another one. Will I be supported? Will I be helped? So when people already from the beginning, they already are aware is a support program, it's an answer to that question. Remember, there is a question people will ask you. If they don't ask you that question, remember, they will be asking you, they will be asking that question in their mind. Never you, never you, never you, never you forget that. These are the 5 questions. Don't forget that. Trust. People want to know whether they can trust you. Need. They want to be sure they need what you are offering. Help. They want to be sure you'll be there and you will help them to succeed. Then the last one is to be in a hurry. So trust is when you're exciting them and sharing your story. The next one is need. Okay, and then the help. Never you forget that. Never you forget that. So the best way to make people to have a sense of being in need is to ask them what they want to achieve. So that's how to deal with that stage. Okay, ask them, what do they want to achieve? What is your goal? So many of you, if you are sharing the business with 2 or 3 people, always ask the question. Remember, in a presentation, get people involved. That's the reason why, even as I'm talking to you right now, I can tell you, you know what? Go to the chat box and tell me our system is working. All of you don't know what I'm doing. I'm psychologically getting you involved. You don't know. When people are not participating, they won't partake. When people are participating, you are programming their mind to accept most of the things you are saying. It's a psychological trick. So that's why when I'm presenting, I will tell you, if you know you are the next millionaire, send me a message on the chat saying I'm the next millionaire. People will start typing, I'm the next millionaire. You know what they're saying? I'm buying into the business. That's what you're doing indirectly. Okay? So that's why instead of just talking, I ask you, what is it you want to achieve? So many of you will see me, I will mute someone like Mr. James and ask him, Mr. James, which car do you want to buy? Mr. James will be answering and be telling me, I want to buy a Benza. I ask him, how much is the Benza? He will tell me it's being sold for 8.9 million naira. And I ask him, the salary they are paying you now, 1 year salary, can he buy it? The answer is no. 2 years, will he buy it? No. What am I doing? I'm trying to show him that he needs what I'm offering. And I will not ask him, why, if you tell your friend you can buy the car this year, what would they tell you? They will tell you that you are going crazy. They will say there's something wrong with your head. And I will not ask him again, why do they say that? Why? Because of what is called a financial vehicle. They know you are a salary earner. What am I doing? I'm doing two things. I'm arousing Mr. James. I'm arousing the person I'm talking to understand that he needs my product. But at the same time, I'm also engaging them to participate in my presentation. So when you are creating a need, what you are saying at that time is a system that will give them freedom. Are you hearing me? So you not tell them the financial vehicle. Everybody has a financial vehicle. Don't forget this story. Everybody has a financial vehicle. And your financial vehicle can determine how fast you can get to your dreams, how fast you can achieve your goals. Okay? For example, if you earn a salary of 100,000 naira in a month and you have a goal to build a house worth 5 million naira, my brother, my sister, there is no way you can get that house built in 1 year. Or not possible. It is not possible at all. Why? Because of the financial vehicle you operate in. But what if there's an alternative vehicle and there is an establishment, an NGO that is ready to work with you to establish that vehicle? Can you imagine that? That is where Realistic Dreams Initiative comes in. Now, this is where I'm ending this section for today because our time is up. I told you I won't finish this class today. So what we've been able to handle today is excitement stage and the stage of creating a need. So let's just summarize the stage of creating a need. Okay, let's just summarize it and so that we can go for our various work. Just give me 2 minutes, let's summarize it. So once you are able to create that need, always remember to say this. End it with the story of the financial vehicle. Ask them what they want to achieve and let it be clear to them that the financial vehicle they're operating will not be able to give them that life. Now, what if there is an alternative? What if? This is where Realistic Dreams Initiative comes in. Now, the establishment I'm working with, Realistic Dreams Initiative, is here to help you with an alternative vehicle that can allow you to earn 10,000 to 210,000 naira daily income. Okay, I'm going to change the slide. I'm going to edit some things here in the slide, and I'll put it there for us. What if there's an alternative to earn 10,000 to over 210,000 naira daily income? That's the reason why I'm here. I'm here to give you an alternative financial vehicle that will help you to make your dreams become a reality. All right. Thank you so much for being in the Millionaire School. So today, what we've learned is the excitement stage and the stage of creating a need. Tomorrow, we will handle business presentation, how you earn, and how you close. Yes, that's what we're going to handle. Tomorrow, we handle 3 different sections. That's what? Business introduction, how to earn, and then closing. That's what we're going to be handling by tomorrow. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget, your Millionaire School hasn't ended until you invite minimum of 20 persons to either attend our live Zoom meeting or actually watch our recorded video. And I also want to encourage all of you listening to me today, if you don't have up to 3 accounts, I'm praying alongside with you that God provides you with the resources to increase your accounts to 3. Trust me. I know I'm saying that everyone in a Millionaire School, trust me, if you can stick with me for 2 years, surely you become a millionaire. Surely you will earn in millions. But I need you to maximize the money by having multiple accounts. So I'm praying, I'm believing God. I started with 3 accounts. I have 40 today. I didn't start with 40. I started with only 3. But today I have up to 40. This year I'm adding extra 15 accounts. Okay, so let's just have that at the back of our mind. Then to end the meeting, I want to remind us, if we have people that are making payments, there are new policies that the company is releasing. Now, one of the policies is this: any payment in installments, Okay, I will be giving out my personal account number so that people will be paying it in installments. So they made it, they told us we, the top leaders, will have to now take full responsibility to that. So they will not be clearing payments in installments again on that. So I even like it that way. So they'll be sending, they will release the moment very soon. In fact, I got the information from an insider today. So it's very important. Then secondly, please, when we are talking to people about making payments, USSD code is no longer allowed. POS payments is no longer allowed. So the only payment that are allowed now, payment methods are allowed now, is direct bank deposit or mobile app. Using mobile app to transfer money or using direct bank deposit. Now, if anyone that wants to make payments using USSD code or POS, all those POS, the person should pay to my own personal account. Okay? Own personal, whether it is deposit or complete payment. That's if they are using USSD code or POS. They can pay to my own account. Then I will not transfer using their name in the narration. Okay, I did it for Madam Chiamaka Aloke's prospect from Abakaliki. Now I want to make a payment. I just gave him my own account number. He made the payment to my own account and I transferred the money to the company. But if you're making payments in installments now, all payments in installments is made to my own account. Okay, please take note of that because the company is saying the leaders that allow people to make, they allow to make payments in installment for people should now be taking responsibility so that they will not be cracking their head trying to clear payments that is now becoming too much work for them. Okay, because there are some people that they can make the payment like in 5 different stages, 5 different times within that 2 months that they gave. Okay, and then within that 2 months, of course, you know, instead of clearing the payments, they have to search for 5 different payments just for one client. All right, so they saw it as something much for them. So they said that we'll be doing the documentation ourselves. And then once the payment is complete, we, the leader, can now transfer the money with the name of the new partner as narration and send to them directly. In fact, some of you may not know all your payments now. I'm using my international passport to clear them. All of them. Yes. Because they are actually trying to make sure that, you know, the system, nobody tries to defraud the system in the sense of some people come and some people started presenting fake payment details. Okay, so you can present fake payment details now. So you do that. If I'm using my international passport and my ID as a guarantee, I'm telling you as a guarantee, because anything that happens, they will block my own account. Okay, so for me, if it is payment, complete payment, the person can make payment to the company directly, only through mobile app transfer or direct bank deposit. If the person doesn't have a mobile app, the person should transfer to my own account or transfer to your own personal account. Then you can transfer the money to the company directly. And don't use USSD code. If you use USSD code now, there are about 5 cases I'm on. You have to go to the bank and tell your bank to reverse the payment. I'm telling you, if you see, my head is on fire now. I'm telling you, and some people, I have to even be the one to pay their money for them. Because I'm a leader, and as a leader, you don't need to sit down and see people just lose their 5,000 naira or go through extreme stress. So please, those of you that are already partners that I'm mentoring, anyone you know that wants to make payments, they should make their payments through mobile app transfer or direct bank deposit. Complete payments. If it's a part payment, they can transfer to you or transfer it to me. And then you can now send it to me for documentation. And if they want to make complete payments and they don't have mobile app and they don't have time to go to the bank, but they can use USSD code, give them your own personal account to transfer to. Then you can transfer to me. I will not transfer it to the company using their name as narration. I believe that is very clear. Thank you so much. I want you to get back and watch this recorded video over and over again to understand the excitement stage and the creating the need stage. Remember, our goal in RDI is freedom. Remember that all the time. Have it at the back of your mind. You can become anything you want to become. You can achieve anything you want to achieve. That is the highest state of mind anyone can be. Knowing fully well that nothing on earth, not even your past experiences or the experience of others, is capable of hindering you from having a great future. Your future is here. Your future is in your hands. And it's your decision and in your actions that makes them become a reality. God bless you. Let's unmute ourselves and have our freedom chant. Are you ready for the freedom chant?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you ready for it?
Yes. Yes.
Are you ready for it?
Yes.
All right. Our goal is what?
Freedom.
Our goal is what?
Freedom.
Our goal is what?
Freedom.
All right, all of you that have joined us, Mr. Chiemezi, Mr. James Lawrence, Mr. Eric, Sadi, make sure you start compiling your 300 names and then start making those invitations. Trust the system. Some will say yes, some will say no. So what? Move on. God bless you. See you at 8 p.m. today. Bye-bye. Love you all.